I'm at AMC. AMC's pulling back slightly, but we already know the deal. AMC usually pulls back, eh, I wouldn't say pretty aggressively, but pretty quickly at market open. There we go. GameStop is kind of following back down to the support level at 211, and then we're followed by a pretty strong rebound. But let's see where that rebound comes in because yesterday it took some time. Look, we fell from 56 all the way to 54 before having the 58 rebound. Pretty quickly too. So this gave us some time. New quarter, new month. No, I was stretching, Gardeno. I was stretching. There's that rebound coming in. Got that buying pressure. It just went green. And the stock itself just went green. Oh, back down. Nasdaq still kind of flat. Hmm. Let's check Twitter. Baby Doge. Elon is still pumping Baby Doge. Yeah, Baby Doge is trending. Hashtag AMC bonds are trending as well. Pretty sure the bonds are coming back down. Where were they trading at? Like 80 cents and they went to like $90? Something like that. Morning, Kevin. Going on, chicken. Alrighty, I think the same key level of support as of yesterday would be true today. We're still around the same level, that's why. $55 I would say is a pretty it's gonna have to be that the support level there. On the 4 hour, man, we're still there. I'm still waiting for that big move. It still hasn't made anything. No move just yet. But we're still pulling back. How dare you start late today? Did you get permission from us? You guys don't have my permission to spend your money yet. Morning, Scoogs. Oh yeah, DIDI was an IPO yesterday, right? Around 15 bucks. Damn, this one pulled back. These IPOs have been flopping lately. I think today we have um Krispy Kreme IPO, no? Is that today? Krispy Kreme prices IPO at $17 a share, well below range. Yeah, I think the price was supposed to be like around 20 bucks, 24. Oh, is it today? Nice. Look at the ticker, DNUT Donut. Krispy Kreme Incorporated. AMC 5624. Yeah, $17 a share. Morning, Jolly. Man, is Baby Doge rallying? I was thinking of buying some yesterday, believe it or not. Because I had some funds left from that Diamond Ball scenario. The Diamond Balls and the Tiki. You guys hear about Tiki? Tiki's like this pyramid scheme that pays you BNB when you invest in it. Depending on how much you invest in it. The more you invest in it, the more BNB it pays you. I was like, you know what? Let's move this to like a meme coin. I was thinking Shiba or Baby Doge. And then today or last night, Elon was just pumping Baby Doge. So I'm pretty sure it had a nice little rally. Tiki sounds like an altcoin, an alt-right coin. Yeah, it was just like it was created like 2 weeks ago. I'm just very like careful with anything because they can pull the rug like like this. I mean, yesterday, what was the coin I sent in the chat and the Discord chat? It was like a whale farm or something like that. They ran off with like 3 million bucks. They deleted their Telegram, everything, any form of communication. There we go, AMC. We always have this interesting pullback, and then we have a pretty strong rally. This is happening consistently. If that's the case, we should just be buying. We should just be buying every single dip then. This is the top. Hear this.
Biggest threat to Bitcoin is Ethereum. The biggest threat to Ethereum is Dogecoin. The biggest threat to Dogecoin is Catcoin, Dogcoin, and Hamstercoin. Biggest threat.
What? AMC back at 57.60. This is literally almost at the high yesterday. We're so close. MRIN halted. Isaiah, Ralph, didn't you sell AMC like at $8 or $9? I sold at 10.04 or like something like that. Or low tens. Morning rants. Oh yeah, this did get halted. Probably a volume halt. Come on, GameStop, do something. Low volume again today. Yesterday was pretty much trading sideways apart from two little spikes we had. And the end of day rally, nothing too crazy. Amazon held talks with companies on business app deals. Let's see how the index is doing. SPY 428. NASDAQ just went green. The Dow is still kind of flat. Tesla 685. Damn it, Neo did I still can't believe we had a chance to buy Neo at 30. I've never heard of that ticker, MIRN. I don't know why it's halted. Look at that rally. That's crazy. Is this one of those other short squeeze plays? Because I know CCIV is also creeping up. This one had a lot of short interest as well. Look at that, 29. I'm literally almost at my break-even price of $31. This one also pulled back to low 20s. 17 actually. So it's coming back. If this can break 30, we can probably see 35 again, maybe even 40. If there's enough interest in this. Virgin Galactic 45. AMC still pulling back. Morning stacks a lot. I remember B Square. B Square was hyped up in January. B Square. Blackstone to buy MGM Aria real estate assets for $3.89 billion. Get ready for those headlines. Those real estate headlines. Wall Street's taking over. Jobless claims also dropped, guys. We're looking at 364K versus 390K estimates. Those candles make me feel some type of way. The AMC ones or the GameStop ones? BlackBerry, not going anywhere yet. ALF, Clover. Ooh, new low on Clover. Hopefully nobody bought at 20, above 20, and it's still holding. SoFi, AMD. Is AMD still at 80 something? No, we hit 90s. We've been waiting for an AMC rip, and it's still dipping. 56.20. These are some pretty aggressive candles, I'm not gonna lie. 56.98 on the high, and then it's coming down to 55.95. This happened like yesterday. Look at this. We pulled back, we pushed up, went kind of green, and then it started dropping again. What time was it? 6:34? It's 6:41 right now. Right around the same time. Hertz jumps 50% to trade at $33 after emerging from bankruptcy. Hertz. What was the ticker, guys? HTZ? Or HTZQ? Oh, HTZGQ? No, this ain't it anymore. What's the other ticker? I'm sorry, I think it's HTCG, no Q. No, I don't remember the ticker, guys. 'Cause usually it's a Q at the end when they go bankrupt. Hence all the massive bears on Twitter, the Tesla Q community. But I can't find the ticker. HTZGQ. Yeah, I thought that was it. There we go, but no, this is not it. See, it was this. I don't even know anymore. I would never buy their stock. Why would I invest in my rivals, my competition? Morning, Keith. You guys hear what happened out here in LA? They confiscated the LAPD confiscated like I think it was like 3,000 pounds of illegal fireworks, and then they blew him up here. They damaged like a couple cars. The bomb squad vehicle like damaged itself. Let me see if I watch. Let's take a look at this. People are going crazy over it. 5,000 pounds of illegal fireworks. AMC still finding support at 56. GameStop still holding 213. Not too bad for GameStop. Take a look at the daily. We're still under EMA on the daily, guys. This has to make a move above EMA soon. Just like when it initially fell from January all the way down to like 44. Look how long it took for it to make a move above EMA. And then we finally were above EMA. Now we're in the same boat. We're in the same position. MRN halted again. I thought we just saw this at 1320. It's at 16. Circuit breaker up 51%. Let's pull up Vortex for this guy. MRIN. Oh man, the high was $18. It's coming. I did a short test on AMC on E-Trade this morning, and there are shares available to short on AMC. Interesting. Let's take a look at AMC first. So the short interest percent went down like a percent. It was like a 1920. It's at 1820 right now. Let's take a look at MIRN. Holy moly, can somebody guess the percent? No wonder. This is a short squeeze. It has to be, man. The move like this is nuts. Somebody guess the percent on this. What's going on, Neural? Damn. This is GameStop all over again. This stock was at $1.54. Hertz is now HTZZ as of today. Thank you, Robert. There we go. The first headline. Hertz exits Chapter 11. Now a much stronger company. It's not really moving like we expected. Like before. You guys remember when they first went bankrupt? Made no sense. The stock went up. Let's chase it. Guys, the percent for MRIN is literally 181%. This is the GameStop's level back in January. Come on, AMC, what are you doing? I need to watch this for sure. This is going to be interesting to see. This is what the second time it's been halted today at 1320 and at 1620. Bro, check out C-Pop. I made 10K. There we go. 66. Oh, this is an IPO as well. This one was also halted. What is going on? You forgot? That's a good price to sell at, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, there it went unhalted. It hit 1809. Look at this pulling back. The only thing I'd be scared of if it gets halted on the way down. You don't. That's the worst. It's cooling on when it gets halted on the way up, but when you're on the way down and it's halted, that's not the best feeling. Just pull up Yahoo Finance. Finance. It's still moving. How are we on the 5-minute EMA? Oh my gosh, this is way above the 5-minute EMA. Right around 1370. And look at this, it's at 17. This has to have a healthy pullback. So I find it buying here a lot, like very risky. But it's still moving. Look at this. It's moving too fast. There's a 17 out to 1745, 1760, 7680. It's about to hit a new high. It's about to get halted again on the way up. I think it just got halted on the way up again. It got halted on the way up, guys. This is gonna go to 20 bucks or something. Oh my gosh. No way, Jose. Damn. AMC, come on. Let's set alerts on AMC. In the meantime, we're gonna watch MRIN. I mean, it's halted anyway, so let's go back to this. Why can't AMC do that? It was doing that before. When we hit 70, AMC was doing that, man. Neo and Diddy are trending. CCIV is also trending here on Yahoo Finance. MRIN. Volume is 17 mil already. AMC volume 7 million. GameStop volume is 270K. Yeah, AMC is still at 56 bucks. Let's see what people are saying about MIRN on Twitter. They're talking about the short percent. It was 144% 2 days ago, or a day ago, 23 hours ago. Yeah. Now it's at 180. Damn. This is nuts. This literally looks like AMC's pattern too. Had the run up, pulled back, consolidated, and then boom. Diddy. Yeah, this one just IPO'd yesterday, so this is like Coinbase. It flopped that open. 1801 was a high and it hit 1410. Tesla coming down. AMC still around under EMA. GameStop, same story. Can you look at the level 2 real quick? I'm not seeing anything. Did Kramer really talk about MRIN? Did he recommend that stock? People are saying thank you, Jim Kramer, for the tip on MRIN. I'm seeing no walls, Saxelot. This was halted at 16 and it hit 1809. At this point, is it just gonna hit $20 right now? Let's watch the flow on this too. Oh man. My alerts aren't working either on Thinkorswim. Uh, Trying to remove it and it's not working. This is not good. Yep, third halt. MIRN could literally be like one of the next short squeezes and hit 50 bucks, or it's gonna hit 20, 25, or right here it's gonna flop. That's the scary part. You don't know. There you go. Oh, it almost hit 20. 1929. It's moving up still. Is it still gonna get halted? No, $19. 32. My only worry is the pullback. When is it gonna come? Because there has to be a pullback. Is it gonna hit 20 before pulling back? Look at that volatility, man. There's that pullback. But like I said, my only fear is that it gets halted on the way down. A halt on the way down is the last thing you want, but after being halted 3 times on the way up, the chances of it happening on the way down are very, very high. Say it, Ralph. What goes up fast comes down fast, baby. A fence that goes up quick comes down very quick. But this fence could keep on freaking going higher. Ah, this is a new high right here. All time. I believe all time. It's kind of still struggling here on 19. Is there just going to be a massive rip to 20? It's coming. It's coming. The push is coming. Oh, 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 1995. Don't you guys just love the volatility though? It's insane. I just can't wrap my head around this short interest on this stock. 180%. If this comes crashing down to like $7, $6, I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna take my risk. And I'm probably gonna hold that one too. If anything else, it's gonna be a day trade, but if it comes down to a pretty good level, that's just gonna be a hold for me. Let's see what's the float. 9.86 million float. There's that pullback. Just don't get halted on the way down. 5-minute EMA is at 1444. I'm getting GameStop AMC vibes with this stock too. Interesting, huh? There's that pullback 1680s. Let's take a quick look at AMC and see how this is doing, how it's holding up. Hit 5560, but there's that bounce there on AMC as well. Oh man. Is it going to bounce off EMA and hold here? It's been doing pretty well so far. There it is. There's that bounce. How strong is that bounce, baby? Can we see? Can you give me 1850 for that bounce? It's a little indecisive so far, but let's go. Let's go. It has the volume. It has the momentum. Can we see 1850 on that bounce? It's trying. Is this the famous paper hand guy I heard about? Yes, indeed it is. Hertz erases gains to fall as much as 25%. Ooh. Oh, there's $18 for MRIN. Can we see 1850 for that bounce? 18, 18, 23. The key here for this stock to continue on higher is literally to just continue to rip up here after these bounces and hold support levels like it is here at $17. Other than that, it's going to be a little spooky under 17, which is the EMA here. All right, there it is. Kind of red candle going on here. Red candle action is still above the EMA. Support levels are key. AMC turned me into a degenerate trader or gambler. That's not good. Come on. This candle should go green. Come on. That pressure is intense. We got 7 seconds on that candle. Is it gonna go green or no? Three, two, one. Oh, it went green on the next one. Is this the push above 1850? No! It's struggling slightly, I'm not gonna lie. There's pressure there at $18. Look at the wall here, guys. No wonder. Did you guys see that? There's a wall at $18. That's why it's not breaking. Just watch the ask. $18. Break, break. 91, 94. No! 75. This can't be possible. Man, there was a wall there at $18. I saw that ask flash really fast. It's pulling back now down to supports. Is there going to be a retest of $18 in the next couple minutes? Maybe even seconds? 88, 89, 90. So close to 18 again. 93, retest of $18. There it is. There's a wall. Look at this. There's a wall there at 18. Is it going to break? It's kind of struggling here. 86. Come on. If it doesn't break 18 here, I think it's going to come under EMA. 1750, 39. Don't get halted. Don't get halted. Where are the dip buyers? Yeah, I don't know where the real Ralph went. No, for some reason my vision gets foggy at times. It'll get blurry out of nowhere. Like when I finish streaming, it gets really blurry. All right, there's that bounce off EMA still. It's still holding the blue line EMA, which is 1710. It's gonna retest 18 right here. I just need to see a rip above 18, in which at 18 you guys know there's a wall there. Let's take a look a quick glance at AMC. Maybe MRIM breaks when we're not looking at it. Stocks break out when we're not looking at them. All right, let's go back. No, it's still 18. Oh, 1820. Let's go, baby. 1850. There's that wall. It's gone. Come on, come on. We hit 1850 on this spike. No surprise that it just hit a $half mark like that. People probably had sell orders at 1850 there, just like they do stop losses at whole numbers. 18, 17, 18, 18. Here's GameStop with the green candle coming back from the 210s. 210s is where it's been at for quite some time. Pretty good support level. 1830 still, 35. How is this looking on the 5 minute? Is that 5 minute catching up with it? Yeah, the 5 minute is at 1540 as of now. So the longer this holds up here, the EMA on the 5 minute is just going to curl up and probably meet this stock at $17. That's my guess. The EMA and the stock price are going to meet at $17, maybe 16.50. As of now, we're kind of still struggling here. I mean, we're struggling at 18, but now it's above 18, and if it can hold $18 supports, that's beautiful. Shout out to whoever mentioned and brought MRIN up this morning. I wasn't aware of it. You guys brought it up at $13 when it was halted. And then we took a look at the short interest on this via Ortex, and literally it's 180%. That's crazy. Hater did. Hater brought it up first. Let's check Twitter. Baby Doge is still trending. I did not get any Baby Doge. Guess it wasn't meant to be. People are also talking about C-pop on Twitter along with MRIN. MRIN chart looks like ALF will be on watch tomorrow. I mean, look at this. This guy tweeted the Robinhood picture when the stock was at 282. Let's see over 3. It's at 18 now. That's crazy. You gotta love these high SI plays. It's still under 18. I mean, it's kind of holding support here. The key levels, like always, is gonna be support levels. Support levels. And the support here is around 1750. If it can break here, man, and just have this candle just rip up above 1850, that would be beautiful. 1807. Indecisive candle here. I think we're setting in for a move. I don't think it'll trade sideways. I think it's either gonna rip up hard or it's gonna pull back to like 1650 supports. So we have support here and we have some resistance here. It's trading sideways now, but I don't think that'll be the case in the next coming minutes. I think it's gonna make a move aggressively up or down. Is this the move up? It wants to break out so hard. Come on. This is the battle we're watching here, guys. We're watching a battle. I think people pull out of AMC and are invested in those new stocks because I did that and AMC is dipping. Uh, it depends. I think some people are fully invested. They don't have the capital to invest in other stocks, and some people do. And it's not bad to chase chase. I don't mean in a bad way, but it's not bad to look for other opportunities elsewhere if you have the opportunity and the cash to do so. It doesn't. I don't see how that's bad. If you're making money, if you're profiting on these stocks, you're winning. Don't let anybody tell you you're paper hands or feel bad. It's you and you, man. It's like no one else could trade for you. No one else is gonna cover your losses. No one else is gonna give you money. No, you control your account. It's your money. Can you look at CCIV charts? Yeah, CCIV was also one that had some pretty good short interest. I'm not gonna lie. It hit 29.81. It's at 28. I've been holding this stock since like $31. I'm still red on this one, but I don't plan to sell it at all. I'm gonna hold this one for a long time. AMC's at 56. MRN is still at $18. We're watching a battle right here. It's gonna make a move. This stock will not trade sideways. Flipped MRN for a quick 400 bucks. There we go. Congrats. Do a backflip. Oh, come on, MRIN. We need you at 20. That's gonna make a move. Is this the move on the way down? Kind of cracked here at the on the EMA on the 1 minute. I mean, we're still kind of trying to bounce here, but why is my oh, there we go. My times and sales ticker froze for a second. I thought we had got halted. Oh man, that battle at $18 was no joke. 1750. Don't get halted. Don't get halted. Don't get halted. You guys really hate Krispy Kreme stock, huh? 1688. There's that pullback. There's that move we were anticipating. Unfortunately, it's not the move we expected on the rip up. There was some tremendous resistance right around $18. It's pulling back now on the 5-minute EMA. We kind of speculated that the EMA would be around 16.50, $17, but we're still at 15.60. So we still have some cushion to pull back, but it's kind of bouncing here at $17, showing strong signs of support and demand. So if we can hold 17 bucks, I think it's still up for today. The volume is there. Morning, William. The Doge knows it's not the Doge today, man. It's the baby Doge. The baby Doge is what's trending after Elon Musk tweeted 4 hours ago. Baby Doge, do 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 do. He tweeted that. Take a look at this. Cryptocurrency in 2010, all the way down to cry in 2021. So there's like this tropical storm, right? Elsa forms in the Atlantic. There's that AMC rip, 56.50. It's kind of still going for the green move on the day. It's still red on the day, but we'll make a green move soon. This is literally the same pattern as yesterday's, except we're trading at different prices. We have the dip followed by the pretty strong rip, and we went green. This might be the same case right here. What the hell is Baby Doge? Spy hit new highs? Oh yeah, we had 429 pre-market. But if you don't count pre-market at 429.53 here, it's still a new high. AMC. It's just the baby version of Doge. BMO hikes Nvidia price target to $1,000. GameStop with a nice little rip at 213. Go green, GameStop. Go green, baby. Check out the People's Coin Peeps. What's going on with Peeps? This is not the best sign for MRA, and I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of cracking support here at 17. There might be another red candle on the way down if it doesn't push up above the EMA here. Well, look at GameStop. It just went green. Lovely, lovely. Does that mean AMC is ripping hard? It's there. It's there. Come on. Emrin. That's what we're going to call it. Emrin. We need this to spike. Yes, right, Andrew. Morning. Nvidia split on July 20, right? 4 to 1. Official peeps. It's not the website. This is not. I thought this was the coin. These are probably some of the most disgusting things you can ever eat. These little creatures, peeps. Diddy was about to crack 16. It's that IPO hype, man. Let's take a look. It has resistance at $16. We're literally battling support on Emran right now at $17. No way there was a such thing as Peep cereal. You can't make that up. Let me see Peep cereal. No way, Jose. Kellogg's. Shame on you, Kellogg's. Two peeps coin. $17 still, man. We're still battling support. Wow, 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 wow. Is it gonna hold? Oh, there we go. The people's coin. Yeah, C-pop is trending right alongside. Oh, it's still moving. Wait a minute. Did this get halted on the way down? Or what? I think it did, right? It's not moving. The people's coin. We're trading at point 0.0000002804. Oh, there's that little drop here on Emrin. Are we gonna touch with 5 minute EMA here? Right around 16 bucks is where we're at on the 5. So I wouldn't be too surprised. But look at the dip buyers coming in on Emrin. You know what this tells me? People are day trading the crap out of the stock. When a candle goes like this and it drops to like a new level that we haven't seen in quite some time, and when I say quite some time, I literally mean like 17 minutes, and it just immediately goes green and people buy it up. People are buying the dip. A lot of day traders on the stock for sure. For sure, 100%. It's like AMC when it was at 60, 70 bucks. A lot, a lot, a lot. Is this just another Wall Street Bets short pump? I don't see any headlines on here. Usually you'd see a headline here that says Wall Street Bets, but no doubt that there's people on there sharing MRIN. Because the short interest on this is ridiculous. Tesla has a nasty red candle on the 5 minute. Oh, is this NASDAQ dipping hard? Yeah, it's probably a little tech dip. Facebook. I mean, have you guys been hearing they're trying to crack down on tech on these companies? Ark is back. Yeah, it's a pretty ugly drop, I'm not gonna lie. 667 supports. Last time we had this was on last Friday, so almost a week ago. Let this drop. I hate when it does this. He cost me the bounce. Thinkorswim. What are we at? 676 right here. All right, if this drops, um, the thing is Nasdaq just gonna dump right now? Is this the pullback we're waiting for? Amrin with the recovery. We're still around this wedge. Let's extend this to the right. You guys can get a picture of that. We're still in that range. Not too bad. ALF did this, by the way. ALF did the same thing when it was at 20 bucks. It traded sideways for like the whole day. For a couple, was it like couple hours? It just traded sideways and then it dipped. So I'm not sure if this is setting up to be the same thing here. The same pattern. Just sideways. All right, we won't chase Tesla here at 670s, but if it does dip or continue to dip significantly, we'll probably swoop up some shares. It's looking a little juicy here. I mean, but if Nasdaq continues to bleed and it just gets wrecked, then probably have to take an L. But I think it's worth the risk. About to hit 100. What is C-pop? No, this one was halted. It just got unhalted. The brand new Tesla Model S Plaid blew up. I'm just afraid my alerts won't go off on this. Search Tesla fire. I mean, this isn't the first time. Oh yeah, Montgomery County. Tesla Model S Plaid fire leaves many unanswered questions. This happened the last time too. This guy had his, I think it was a Model 3 in the driveway. It just caught on fire. And the fact that Tesla doesn't really have a strong media PR team to shut out this FUD is bad in my opinion. I think it's horrible. Emran kind of cooled off here after hitting the highs. It just kind of found some support. Let's see what the stock does today. TikTok. TikTok says it will allow users to film, upload, and edit videos up to 3 minutes in length directly within TikTok. I deleted TikTok because it was too addicting, and I knew it was gonna be a problem. It was gonna be a waste of time. But wasn't it a minute or 30 seconds? What was like that limit on the time? Does anybody know? AMC with a nice little pop. We're gonna end it. We're gonna end the stream here. Um, GameStop just hit a new high. Let's go. GameStop 216 Tesla. If it comes down under 670, guys, I'm probably gonna swoop up some shares. As for Emran, I'm still waiting for a pretty significant drop in, which I don't think I'll see because it's holding $17 pretty darn well here. And for AMC, we're seeing another recovery just like GameStop right around 1 hour after the market opens. So GG's. We'll be back tomorrow. I'll be in the Discord. And if I happen to buy anything, I'll obviously send it in the Discord. But with that being said, that's pretty much it. I almost can guarantee Tesla's gonna see a new low right now. I don't know how strong Nasdaq is looking today. I mean, look at the daily. This has to pull back. So, and keeps recovering. It looks like Tesla might have finished his dip. I don't think so. I think Tesla's just starting the dip. It's a slow one today too. It's not moving as fast as we thought, but still resistance on Nasdaq. SPY doing the same thing. SPY pulling back. No, SPY still at the new highs. The Dow is green. We'll see. We'll see. Oh yeah, look, Tesla just had a pretty strong rip up. We'll see if there is another dip. 669, 668 is where I'll probably hop in. But I think this is just bouncing on the 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute EMA was a 679. Usually Tesla does this, which is it's probably one of my favorite stock to day trade because it usually honors the 5 minute EMA after it sees a dip, and you could just sell the rip. I mean, if you bought here at 672 and sold in the 678, that's some pretty good profits. We were gonna buy the dip, but I think where some does this glitch where every time I hit my active trader, it overlaps the volume and it switches the chart all the way to the right. Those couple seconds are the difference between you making profit and hopping in and you missing the stock. You missing the dip. That's why I have hotkeys, man. I never buy with like my mouse. I just buy with Shift B and Shift S to sell. And if you want to learn how to set up hotkeys, I have a video on my channel on how to do that and how to set it up. So we'll end it here. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully, you guys have an amazing rest of your morning, night, evening, wherever you find yourself at. And peace out.